The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers. Title of the video: Multiplication of a 3-digit multiplier with a 2-digit multiplicand. Let us see how we can multiply 564, which is a 3-digit multiplier, with 38, which is a 2-digit multiplicand. Now this can be done with the abacus and calculator too, but for the purpose of learning, let us use the expanded form template, which is much easier to multiply when you involve higher digits. Now 564, how this can be written in the expanded form, that is 5 multiplied by 100 plus 6 multiplied by 10 plus 4 multiplied by 1. When you break the number in terms of multiples of 10, it is always easy to multiply. So what we have to do, now we have to multiply the 564, which is presented in the form of expanded expression, with 38, which is the multiplicand. So first we have to place the number 564 in the expanded form template. So this is a customized template, and we have the place values of 1, 10, 100, 1000 horizontally and vertically. So we have to put the number 5 in the hundreds column. So you can see that the number 5 is placed in the box where the 100th column vertically and 100th column horizontally meet. Now similarly, we have to put number 6 in the tens column, and then number 4 is put in the unit column. So this is nothing but 5 multiplied by 100, that is 500, and that is 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60, 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4, so that is 564. So we have just interpreted this number in the expanded form. Now we have to multiply it with the 38. So the multiplicand has 2 digits. So let us start with the number 8. The 8 should be kept in the reference column, which is the right column of this template. Now let the child explore, right? The right column is the reference column. Next to it is the unit, 10 and 100. Now to the right of 5, there are 2 empty boxes. That means no, they carry the value 0. So that means you start with 2 zeros in the multiplication. 2 zeros in the multiplication. Now you multiply 8 with 5. When you multiply 8 with 5, you get 40. So that means 8 multiplied by 500, it is 4000. Now let us take 8 to the tens column. So that means 8 is to be multiplied by 60. 6, and to the right of 6 it is 0. So the multiplied value will start with 0. Now 8 and 6 will be 48. 8 and 6 will be 48. Now, so that is 480. Now the 8 should be taken to the units column. So that is 4 multiplied by 8, that is 32. 32. Now 4480 and 32 should be added. You can use abacus too for addition of these numbers. You know, as they are placed in the respective columns, the child will be able to, explore and do addition too. So 0, 0, 2, that is 2. 0, 8 to 3, that is 11. So 1 is taken to the next column to the left. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. And then in the thousandth column, that is 4. So the value is 4,512. 4,512. Now let us multiply 3 with 564. Let us put 3 in the reference column. As the two boxes to the right of 5 are 0, so you should start with 2 zeros. So 5 and 3, it is 1500. For when you explain to the child, you can use these numbers with the braille markings. Now 3 should be taken to the 60. Now there is empty column to the right of 6, so you have to start with 0. Then 6 and 3, that is 18, that is 180. Now take 3 to the 4, which is the unit column. So 3 and 4 multiply, that becomes 12. So what is the total of 1500, 180 and 12? That is 2961. Right. Now where you have to place this 1692? Now we have to apply the rule. The 3 is one column to the left of 8. So that means you have to skip one column to the right of the multiplied value of 8 and place the multiplied value of 3 with 564. So what is the value? The value is 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. That is, the value is 21,432. 21,432. So we have used a 3-digit multiplier and 2-digit multiplicand and used the expanded form template and got the value. So when you demonstrate to visually impaired child, you can use the numbers with the braille markings, which will take some time, but for the child to understand it very clearly, these letters with the braille markings will be useful.